Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can set pictures in your screensaver mode in a very simple way. You just simply come over into your Windows icon, click on the right mouse button, and then you can see there will be a settings. After that, you can see there will be an option called personalization. If you click on that, then you'll get an option called lock screen. After that, you can see there will be an option called screensaver. So if you click on that, and then there will be an option called screensaver, and then if you click on that, there will be an option called photos. You can simply select your photos over here by simply click on settings, or you can click on settings, and then you can choose pictures from browse, and you can choose from where your picture are located. And if your slideshow speed is medium, you can select it as well, or you can select it first as well. Now save it, and then if you click on it for 1 minute, you can simply come over after 1 minute, and if you click on apply, then you can select OK, and now your photos is saved for your screensaver after 1 minute. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.